So whenever we discuss anything, right? So we will use the short forms, conversion, invoicing, and then last one is CC. So this is conversion charging. Okay. So we will begin with the subscription order management, and after that CA module, and then eventually we'll go into the deeper on the CC. Okay. But wherever we have the integrations all over within the S4 HANA, maybe, okay, within the ECC native components or native modules, whatever we have like EST, and FICA. Okay, so wherever it is required overall in the O2C journey, this is O2C journey overall. So during this journey, so definitely there are a lot of integration objects we need to configure. So those things also we will cover in order to achieve our end-to-end flow till the posting document generates for any of the okay order which you create for a specific offer okay to your customer. So this is what we wanted to go ahead and in order to move ahead to learn SOM, right? So we have to have one of the use case. Okay, first we have to pick one of the use case so that we will try to configure the system and we will bring okay based on the understanding on the use case and we will see how the invoicing could be generated overall. So this is one thing. Okay, so as I said, so use case would be one of the AWS. Okay, we'll take one of the SaaS industry example. So in the SaaS industry, as I explained earlier in the demo session, so we'll take the product as EC2, okay, which is very much comfortable for most of the guys. So EC2 is one of the uh, cloud product available in the Amazon Web Service. So this cloud product is exactly as good as remote desktop what you are going to use. Okay, so RDP is one kind of another naming convention of the uh, virtual desktop, and this is from the Microsoft. Okay, this is from the Amazon Web Service. Okay, so there is no much difference, but overall we are going to access okay remote desktop or a virtual computer machine from cloud over the internet. So this is what the overall idea in the customer perspective. So we'll take the example of the same SaaS industry of the EC2 console and then we will move ahead. Okay, so this is one thing. And in order to bring this use case into the system, right? So first we need to understand, okay, a few of the things. Overall, how the customer can be onboarded in the system, and then how do you accept the customer information overall in the system so that once the system is live, okay, so we will be having the seamless integration with the third party applications and then you are able to automate the overall end-to-end process and okay operations can able to achieve whatever okay they do on their daily activity, right? So this is what we need to understand. So in this use case, anybody has any concerns on this use case?
Yes,
If
Rahul. I'm not
Ra-
clear. Yeah.
Rahul, can you use a tall industry root case instead, if possible?
yeah, toll industry use case is a very simple one. Why? Because for the
Oh,
toll industry, right, it is a it's a straightforward that you maintain some of the balance and then whenever you cross toll, so it will be debited from the okay your account main balance. But it doesn't have the flavors. Okay, so
no,
instead of
the
having
flavor
some more
meaning
complexity to
commercial vehicle have different. You have a discount. You have a lot of
exactly
rules into
exactly
that. The CI layer, I think, or rating.
exactly. So, yeah. So I'll explain some of the things in the same use case.
Okay,
So
thank you.
in this use case, let me explain clearly on the use case, and then we'll have some of the questions.